Have you ever felt so overwhelmed by anxiety that it seems like there's no way out? Have you noticed that anxiety is getting in the way of your goals and happiness? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we present you with the 7 best relaxation techniques to combat anxiety, powerful techniques that will help you find the peace and calm you need to regain control of your life. Don't miss this opportunity to discover how to overcome anxiety and live fully. Abdominal breathing, also known as diaphragmatic breathing, this technique focuses on deep and slow breathing, using the diaphragm instead of the chest to fill the lungs with air. To practice abdominal breathing, sit or lie down in a comfortable and relaxed place. Place one hand on your abdomen and the other on your chest. Then, inhale deeply through the nose, bringing the air towards the abdomen and feeling how the hand on that area expands. Hold the air for a few seconds and then exhale slowly through the mouth, feeling how the abdomen contracts and the hand goes inwards. You can repeat this process several times until you feel relaxed and anxiety levels have decreased. Meditation is a technique that focuses on concentration, mindfulness, and relaxation to reduce stress and anxiety, as well as improve concentration, mental clarity, and decision-making. There are different types of meditation, but a simple way to start is by sitting in a quiet and comfortable place, closing your eyes and focusing on your breathing. With each inhalation, imagine that you are inhaling positive energy, and with each exhalation, imagine that you are releasing stress and anxiety. You can mentally repeat a phrase or mantra that helps you relax, such as, "I am at peace" or "Everything is okay." Don't worry if your mind gets distracted, just refocus on your breathing and the feeling of peace and tranquility you are seeking. Progressive muscle relaxation, this technique focuses on tensing and relaxing muscles systematically, creating a sense of relaxation throughout the body. To practice progressive muscle relaxation, sit or lie down in a comfortable and relaxed place. Begin by tensing the muscles in your feet, holding the tension for a few seconds and then relaxing the muscles as you exhale slowly. Continue with the muscles in your legs, arms, torso, neck, and face, tensing and relaxing each muscle group progressively. This technique is particularly useful for relieving physical and mental tension and can be a great help for those experiencing chronic anxiety. Visualization involves imagining pleasant and relaxing scenes in the mind, which can help reduce anxiety and improve mood. To practice visualization, sit or lie down in a quiet and comfortable place, close your eyes and visualize a place or situation that makes you feel relaxed and happy. It can be a sunny beach, a leafy forest, a snowy mountain, or any other place that is comforting to you. Imagine the details of the scene with all 5 senses, how it looks, smells, feels, sounds, and tastes. Try to immerse yourself in the scene and feel the sense of calm and relaxation it produces. You can repeat this visualization whenever you need to reduce anxiety levels. Yoga is a practice that combines postures, breathing, and meditation to improve flexibility, strength, and mental health. There are different types of yoga, but some of the most recommended for combating anxiety are Hatha Yoga, Vinyasa Yoga, and Restorative Yoga. In Hatha Yoga, emphasis is placed on breathing and postures to release muscle tension and promote relaxation. In Vinyasa Yoga, breathing is combined with fluid and rapid movements to help clear the mind and reduce stress. In Restorative Yoga, postures and relaxation techniques are used to achieve a deep state of rest and relaxation. Regular yoga practice can be an excellent way to reduce anxiety levels and improve physical and mental health. Listening to relaxing music has a powerful effect on the mind and body, and can be a great tool for reducing stress and anxiety. Listening to relaxing music can help lower heart rate and blood pressure, as well as reduce levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. You can search for instrumental music, nature sounds, or soft and gentle music to create a relaxing environment. Make sure to listen in a quiet and distraction-free place to maximize the relaxing effects of music. Physical exercise is an excellent way to release tension and reduce anxiety. When you exercise, endorphins, the hormones of well-being, are released, which helps improve mood and reduce anxiety. Additionally, exercise can help reduce muscle tension, improve sleep, and increase self-confidence. You don't need to do an intensive workout to get the benefits of exercise, even walking or doing gentle physical activity can be enough to relieve anxiety. In conclusion, combating anxiety can be a difficult process, but with the proper relaxation techniques, you can achieve a state of calm and emotional well-being. We hope these 7 techniques have been useful to you and that you can apply them in your daily life. Remember that by reducing anxiety, you are improving your quality of life and taking care of your mental and physical health. If you enjoyed this video and found the techniques useful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family. Additionally, if you haven't already, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, The Healthy Habit, to receive more videos about emotional and physical well-being. Leave us your comments and tell us which was your favorite technique for combating anxiety. See you in the next video.